I am starting the daily challenge. I will first accept the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will make an initial guess of The Godfather to establish the target medium, year, and rating baseline. I will click the guess button to ensure the submission is registered. Type card is green for The Godfather movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released after 1972. Red year, arrow up with an MBB rating lower than 9.2. Red rating, arrow down. No genres: crime, drama. Actors Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan, or directors Francis Ford Coppola from The Godfather overlap with the target. Type card is green for The Godfather movie, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1972 and has a rating lower than 9.2. It is not a crime or drama. I will guess Inception 2010, action/sci-fi, 8.8 to test a much newer year and a different set of genres. Type card is green for Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010. Red year, arrow up, and has an MBB rating lower than 8.8. Red rating, arrow down. The target shares the action and adventure genres. Green pills but is not sci-fi. Gray pill. No actors or directors from Inception overlap. Type card is green for Inception, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. It must be an action and adventure movie but not sci-fi. I will guess Top Gun, Maverick 2022, action/adventure, 8.2 to narrow down the year and rating. Type card is green for Top Gun, Maverick movie. Target medium equals movie. The target year is newer than 2022. Yellow year, arrow up, so 2023 or 2024. The rating is lower than 8.2. Red rating, arrow down. The target is an action movie. Green pill but not a drama. Gray pill. No actors or directors from Top Gun, Maverick overlap. Type card is green for Top Gun, Maverick, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2022. Yellow arrow up, likely 2023 or 2024 and has a rating lower than 8.2. It is an action movie but not a drama. I will guess John Wick, Chapter 4 2023, action/crime, 7.7 to test the 2023 release year and lower rating. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4 movie. Target medium equals movie. The year is a perfect match, 2023. The rating is lower than 7.6. Red rating, arrow down. The target is an action movie. Green pill but not crime or thriller. Gray pills. No actors or directors from John Wick 4 overlap. Type card is green for John Wick 4, so target medium equals movie. The target is a 2023 action movie with a rating lower than 7.6. It is not crime, thriller, drama, or sci-fi. I will guess Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves 2023, action/adventure/fantasy, 7.3, which fits the year and rating constraints while testing new genres. I successfully identified Dungeons & Dragons, Honor Among Thieves in just 5 guesses. The breakthrough came when I narrowed the target down to a 2023 action/adventure movie with a rating below 7.6, which led me straight to this fantasy hit.